Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will explain you about VLSI, what is the need for VLSI, and the advantages of VLSI as well as the real life uses of them. So let's start with the definition. So VLSI, that is very large scale integration. Basically, it means the process of creating the ICs, that is integrated circuit, by combining thousands or maybe millions of transistors on a single chip. So let's say here we have a transistor. So in VLSI, we combine these transistors like thousands or maybe millions of this into a single chip. So this process is called as VLSI. So let's assume this to be a transistor. So let's assume this is an IC, and inside the IC, let's say we have these transistors. Assume this to be transistors. So you can imagine how many transistors we are integrating on a single chip. I'm not talking about like 100, 200 or 300. I'm talking about thousands or millions. So you can imagine what do you mean by millions. And let's say we have millions of transistors. And as you know, a single transistor only have much functionalities. So assume if we have millions of transistors, then how advanced that chip would be. So now let's see the need for VLSI. So the first advantage that we get with VLSI is increasing complexity. So it means, as you can see, we have modern devices, let's say smartphones. As you can see nowadays, almost every day, smartphones are getting launched with new functionalities. Or maybe we talk about laptops. There also we have advanced processors, and that thing also getting updated day by day. So the updates that we see in our mobile devices or maybe laptop, that thing require high computational power and more functionalities. So those things can be achieved only through VLSI. Then the second need is performance requirement. As we know nowadays, we have the era of AI and machine learning, that is ML, and gaming. So these three applications require high speed. So that high speed is provided by VLSI circuits only. And the third and the best part, as these provide high computational power and functionalities, and high speed applications also require VLSI circuits, but despite of having these two advantages, these have very low power consumption. So it is energy efficient also. Now let's see the advantages of VLSI. So the first advantage is miniaturization. So it means the process of making something very small by using modern technologies. So as we have integrated millions of transistors only on a single chip, that reduces the size of electronic devices as well. And these also have high performance. As we know, VLSI circuits operate at high speeds, so it helps in faster data processing as well. And despite of this, as we know, as once these are designed, they are manufactured in bulk. It means larger quantities. So that results in reduction of cost per unit. So now let's see the real life uses of VLSI. So as I told you earlier that we have smartphones, and in smartphones also we have processors like Qualcomm, Snapdragon, or maybe Apple's A series chips. So these are VLSI chips only. And these are integrating multiple functionalities, as we have CPU, GPU, or maybe memory controllers. Then in laptops also, CPU and GPU like Intel Core i7 or Nvidia's GPU. So these are products of VLSI design only. And as we have smart home devices nowadays, so devices like voice assistants like Amazon Echo, Google Nest, these also use VLSI chips for processing and the connectivity. So nowadays VLSI are paving a way for artificial intelligence and machine learning and for new technologies as well. Yes, that's it for this video. I hope you understood about the need of VLSI and what VLSI actually do. So yes, see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.